My name is Rob Reinhardt. I'm with FAA at North Las Vegas Air Traffic Control Tower. I'm a member of the Southern Nevada SSC, and my particular job at this facility is I maintain this tower and everything that goes with the tower. The sewer lift station here at this tower is my responsibility. This facility was built in 2002, and I never got here until 2008, so the building was about 6 years old when I got here. One of the first problems I'd have here, one of the major problems, was we had a couple of our sewer pumps get clogged up with some sort of material. We had several people come out and try to maintain the system, try to pull our pumps out and rebuild our pumps, and we spent a lot of money and we had a lot of people coming out, and it just wasn't working so well. The system that we had was pretty old, and it looked like it was built in somebody's garage, and nobody really knew how to maintain it. There was no documentation, no drawings or anything, and we just got tired of spending so much money having people come out and try to work on something, and then nobody knew how to work on it. So we decided we were going to get a project, and we were going to get a new control system and look at getting some new pumps and updating the system that we had at our facility. I didn't know anybody that had that specialty, so I just started looking on the internet for pumps and controls, and Jensen was one of the companies that I was able to find. I got quotes from several companies, and Jensen was the one that looked like they were going to give me the best product and give me the best service. So I called Jensen, and from there we had a pretty good relationship. Jensen was able to offer me a couple of different solutions and tell me what was best for my situation. They showed me the new control systems, which was my main concern, was getting something updated and easily maintainable as well as documented. Jensen sent me several different options, and we went with the option that was best suited for us. So we set up a contract with Jensen to come and install that product along with new rails, new hard concrete cover. They identified that we did have some unsafe manhole covers, so they showed me what I needed to have in there to protect the people that are driving back and forth on my road, and we put the right equipment in the right spot. So Jensen really did save me a lot of trouble by just knowing exactly what I needed, where I needed it, and how it had to be done. It was identified that the pumps that we actually had in the ground were not even the right pumps. They were rated differently than what we had wired for. I had to do nothing. Jensen basically showed me what I needed, and I have enough faith in these Jensen engineers and Jensen salesmen that they know exactly what I need, and they are able to tell me my options, and we went with what was best suited. So basically they've done everything for us, and all we've had to do is show them what we need. They dealt with the contracting officer. I didn't have to really get involved with that, where normally I do. But Jensen was pretty able to take care of all that correspondence with people in different cities and different states, even in this case. They left it so I really didn't have to do anything. They told me what I needed, and they went from there. I would recommend Jensen Precast to anybody that has to have anything like this done. They made it so easy. They provided us the absolute solutions and recommendations to anything that we needed, and quite honestly, they gave me a better product than what I actually even wanted in the first place. The finished product is much better than we would have actually asked for in the very beginning, and the price is probably, I'd say, 60 to 70% of what we anticipated paying from the beginning.